To free up storage on Realme GT7 Pro, first thing you should do is check for any apps that you don't want to use. And we can open our app drawer and then find any apps that we want to uninstall. Click and hold your finger onto that app and select uninstall button, then just confirm it. That way you'll be able to free a lot of storage if your apps are heavy on the megabytes or gigabytes of storage. Next thing we can do is enter My Files app. Right here you'll find the different section for files like photos, videos, audio, documents, app, and archives. You can click on each of them and check if there's anything that you don't want to be on your phone, and then remove it. After you removed it, you can scroll down and enter recently deleted items, and then make sure to clear your trash folder, otherwise those files will be still in your storage for the next 30 days. And that is the basic tips on how you can free up some storage on your Realme GT7 Pro.